Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain and I will show you how I can set up Facebook pixel conversion tracking with Google Tag Manager on Shopify site. And their objective is implement a structured data layer for accurate tracking in Shopify and conversion configure Google Tag Manager integration, set up Facebook pixel and conversion API, enable server-side tracking, implement essential e-commerce events, and send accurate parameters for better attribution. Verify that all tracking is functioning correctly. So that now, first of all, I need to open Shopify backend. This is the Shopify admin panel, and I need to click on the setting for create a structured data here. And I had a customer events code for implemented data layer. It's separate and click on the settings. Click on the customer events and is there a independent data layer is type of custom it's status connected. So I need to go to Google Tag Manager. Yes, this is the Google Tag Manager tags information for which I created for Facebook conversion API and implemented uh, just here and event parameters like implemented essential e-commerce events. um, there is so Facebook AddToCart, initial, checkout, PageView, purchase, and view content. Overall text for browser and conversion API. Like you can see here, a name of FB AddToCart DR dot. That means it's a browser, and FB AddToCart is CAPI. That means it's a conversion API like server side tracking. I just click on purchase, like, and you can see here I created here I put it event parameter for uh, sending data with server and user properties data for event match quality increment, and like here is yeah, user data dot address region or multiple parameters I send for increment or increase event match quality, so that I need to verify that are working or not. So that I just click on the preview mode, and another option I opened my server container for this site for the conversion API. Need to open preview mode. I'll click on the Google Tag Assistant and put here my website's URL, which I connected the Google Tag Manager and Shopify account. So click on the connect, and this is my website. Now I need to open Facebook Event Manager. Click data source, which data source I created for Facebook Pixel. Now click on test events for verify. You can see everything. The test event receipts I need to open a product. I just completed funnel of card. Click on add to cart ID and checkout. I need to put here my mail. I just click on the pay now button. You can see here the websites redirect to the thank you page. So see here the data layer is working properly or not, and or all of tags which I created for Facebook conversion API or browser site, and it's working or not. I need to verify it on Tag Assistant. Like this is my Tag Assistant. It's connected with my website, and this is summary, and you can see here everything. My all of tags are fired properly. Is the data sending events manager from the website like purchase, and just need to verify. I uh, going to my events manager for verifying my purchase data. This is the you can see here my purchase events are filed properly. It's browser side and server side, and you can see here is image quality is right now 5.1 and by 10. So the setup, I confidently say that within a hours, within a 1 hour, it will be 10, 10 by 8 or 9. So that the working steps are work properly, and their goals or their requirements is given the structured data layer. This is the structured data layer like purchase. This is the data code, and his is configure Google Tag Manager integration, and this is the is the white side and tag system connected. You can see, if you see just tag assistant, just verify my Google Tag Manager is connected or not. Yes, my GTM is connected here with Google Analytics 4 and enable server-side tracking. Enable server-side tracking, like this is the uh, server-side assistant mode or preview mode. Here is conversion API tag by rates. It's fired 25 times, like the purchase, and conversion API tag is data sent properly and outgoing HTTP request exposed 2000 work properly and like fired. So that version verify that all of tracking is functional correctly. So right now its job was completed, done, and this is my video. And if you need Shopify, Facebook Pixel, and conversion API track setup with Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4, you can see here are completed the job, and you can send me a direct message for this task. I'll help you complete it functionally a setup for Facebook Pixel with Google Tag Manager on your Shopify site or e-commerce business, live business. And thank you for watching my video.